Introducing Dr. Scientist, Dad, Mom, and Kid.
Hello everybody, I'm Dr. Scientist. You must be Mrs. Kid, and Mr. Kid. If you don't mind, come on back with me and we'll begin the tests.
Kid has a neuropsychological evaluation.
Today we're going to be doing a series of tests called neuropsychs.
Is it gonna be like a school test?
Sort of, but unlike a school test, you won't be getting a grade. So just do your best, okay? Let's get started. I'm going to put my finger on the picture of the ball, like this. Now I want you to put your finger on the ball. Good. Now, this is the same kind of thing, but I want you to put your finger on the baby. Great job. Put your finger on the horse. You did a great job. Next time you come in, we're going to be doing a test called an MEG, okay?
See you next time.
Kid gets an MEG scan.
Today we're going to be doing an MEG scan, but before we get to that, I need to measure your head and put some sticky things on your face. So if you want to just come on and have a seat. This is a device we use to let the computer know the size and shape of your head. So basically all we have to do is this, and it sends a signal to the computer about the size and shape of your head. Alright, and there we go. Now, I'm going to tape a couple of these to your forehead and cheek. These tell us the difference between you blinking and when your brain is working. And there you go. We're all set.
EEG wires.
There. How does that feel?
Good, but kind of weird.
That's normal. Alright, this is the MEG room. And this is where you'll be having your tests done.
So why is the room all closed off like that?
Well, how the MEG works is it measures the magnetic fields given off by your brain. And if the room isn't sealed off like this, other things can affect it, like rolling chairs or blinking.
Oh, so that waves from the outside world can't get in and mess it up.
Exactly.
She's wearing those wires so that we can tell when she's blinking.
You need to try not to blink while you're in the MEG room, okay? I'll tell you when you can blink, but try not to blink as much as you can, okay?
Anything else?
Yes, try and remain as still as possible. Are you okay in there, kid?
How do you know what kid's answering without talking?
Well, the way it works is there's little buttons on the hand thing, and she presses those to let us know what she's trying to say. We're going to start now, so you have to stay very still. There will be breaks in the experiment where you can relax, but don't move your head, even during the breaks, okay?
Okay. So what do these lines mean?
These are the measurements of neurons firing in kids' brain. The different colors show the different parts of kids' brain.
Nifty. Is that what they're supposed to look like?
Actually no. It looks like there's some noise interfering with the brain signals. It could be the kid is blinking or clenching her jaw. Okay kid, we're getting some noisy signals. Try to count to 10 and not blink until you get to 10. Like a staring contest with yourself, okay? That's what good signals are supposed to look like. Okay, kid, your signals are looking much better. You're almost finished.
Great job, kid. How was it?
Fine, I really like the weird chair.
Next time you come in, we're going to be doing a different type of test called an MRI. So I'll see you then, alright? Bye.
Thank you.
Kid gets an MRI. This MRI machine is a mock scanner. It doesn't have a magnet. It's a little bit different than the one that you'll be using.
Hi, welcome back. This is the MRI room. Do you know what an MRI is?
No. Isn't it like an x-ray?
No, not really. The MRI uses magnets to take pictures of the inside of your body, including your brain.
Is that what a picture of my brain would look like?
Yes.
Hi, kid.
Is it going to hurt?
Nope.
No, not at all. You won't need any shots or anything like that. But since the MRI uses magnets, you will need to take anything metallic off. It's like when you put something metal to a regular magnet. It sucks it up. But since this is a very powerful magnet, it'll take anything metal that you're wearing right off of you. So take off anything that has metal. Necklaces, bracelets, watches, anything like that. You'll have to be very still when you're in the scanner. It's kind of like moving when somebody takes a picture with the camera. See how blurry this picture is? Well, we're looking for something that looks more like this. And when we actually take pictures of your brain, this is a blurry picture, and this is what we're going to be going for. Another thing is, the machine will make loud thumping noises, kind of like drums. So we're going to give you these earplugs to wear so it won't be quite as loud. This is the button device. It's similar to the one that you used in the MEG. You push the buttons to tell us what you mean when we ask you questions and show you pictures. Go ahead and try it out.
That tube part looks small. What if kid gets nervous or scared? Mom.
That's a good question. Sometimes you can get scared. You might get claustrophobic, and there is the loud thumping noises.
I think I'll be okay. It's not like I'm getting a shot or going to the dentist. But what happens if I do get nervous?
Well, first let us know. It can help to just talk to someone. Or just take a couple deep breaths. That helps a lot too. Also, there are a few things you should remember when you go in there. You're going to need to sit still for a fairly long time. So use the restroom before you go in there. And remember, try not to fall asleep or move too much. Alright, now that you have your earphones in, these are the headphones. You'll be able to hear everything that we're saying while you're in there. So if you want to go ahead and put those on. This is the head coil and padding. The head coil will pick up signals, and the padding will keep you from moving your head as much. After we're all finished with this, we're going to give you a squeeze ball. After I'm finished giving you instructions, I want you to squeeze it to make sure that you understand. And if you're all set, I'll head back to the lab.
Okay.
Alright, we're ready to start. For the first scan, you can watch a movie. Remember to stay still. In a few seconds, there's going to be some noise. Give the squeeze ball a squeeze if you understand. See how little activation there is here? It looks like Kid might be falling asleep in there. Hey Kid, how are you feeling?
Oh, I was just getting a little bit sleepy.
Only a few more minutes, okay?
I'm worried about kid. Is it okay if I come in with her?
Sure. Let's tell Kid. Hey Kid, your mom's gonna come in there with you. Is that okay?
Okay.
All done.
Well, you did a wonderful job. Your pictures came out almost perfectly.
So how was it?
It was sort of like playing video games. Are those the pictures of my brain?
Yes, thank you. You did a really great job. See how clear they turned out? Thank you very much for all of your help. You did wonderful.
It was very fun to watch.
Neato, that was really cool. Thank you.
you.